Pro Craftinators. As I said in my first Christmas series video, I have 2 more cards to share with you from the Tonic Craft Kit number 26. The first card I started by doing some work off screen. I cut the pocket die that corresponds to the ornament I was going to use in the front of the card base. This die is included in the kit. Next, I ink blended Distress Oxides in Salty Ocean, Faded Jeans, Chipped Sapphire, and Blueprint Sketch. Now you see me splattering my background with water to get that classic oxidized look. After that, I misted the background with the Silver Smoke Mini Mica Mist that was included in the kit. Look at all that shimmer. Next, I took the snowflake stamps and stamped them all over the background with Versamark ink, and I covered them with Ranger holographic embossing powder that I used on a previous card in the last video. I attached my card front with score tape. One thing to note here, remember to put adhesive on the little circle part above the cut line. I forgot on this one, but don't put adhesive too close underneath the cut line. I did, and it made it really hard to get the ornament in the little pocket. If you don't have this kit, but do have ornament dies that you want to make something similar, this could easily be achieved with partial die cutting and some circle dies, so give it a try. Next, I stamped my sentiment, Jingle All the Way, in Chipped Sapphire Distress Oxide ink. Sorry I'm partially off camera for this one. Interesting thing to note here, this is the only stamp in this kit that did not have a die. I was a bit miffed by this one. I am absolutely terrible at fussy cutting, so I decided to use a Sizzix Tim Holtz Alterations stitched rectangle die to cut this out. Then I inked the edges with Blueprint Sketch and Chipped Sapphire Distress Oxide to make it so it wasn't so stark white against my card. Again, I wish my camera did the sparkle justice. That holographic embossing powder is just gorgeous. This last card I started again off screen by ink blending Distress inks in Peacock Feathers, Mermaid Lagoon, and Blueprint Sketch. I started this ink blending from the center and moved out. I also used the Blue Topaz Glitter Paste, which was included in the kit, and a Tim Holtz polka dot stencil to stencil in a diagonal fashion across the front of my card. By the way, if you have made it this far, I would be interested in hearing if you minded that I did so much ink blending and glitter paste and whatnot off screen, or if you would prefer that I left it in. Let me know in the comments. Back to the card. I stamped the sentiment Joy to the World, which is included in the kit, in Distress Oxide Mermaid Lagoon. I then attached the card front to the card base. Again, take note of where you put your adhesive, like I said in the card before this one. I followed my own advice and it was still a bit tight. I found sticking a bone folder in the pocket helped loosen things up. I decided to pop up my sentiment on foam tape on this one, but do make sure that your sentiment isn't large if you're going to do this, or it might impede sliding the ornament in and out of the pocket. I hope you enjoyed the second video in my Christmas card series. I hope to chat with you in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.